ladies present here. Science begins with curiosity, and today that curiosity converges into wisdom, collaboration, and innovation. On behalf of the organizing committee, I, Vanshika Rani, extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the 66th Annual Conference of Indian Society of Hematology and Blood Transfusion, Hematocon 2025, a confluence of intellect where the elixir of life, blood, takes center stage.
प्रकाश का प्रतीक नहीं बल्कि यह आशा, ऊर्जा और ज्ञान का द्योतक है। इसी पावन भावना के साथ अब हम सभी दीप प्रज्वलन समारोह की ओर अग्रसर होते हैं। निवेदन है कि हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस आयोजन का शुभारंभ करें।
मंच पर उपस्थित किंग जॉर्ज मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी की वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर सोनिया नित्यानंद जी, डॉक्टर तूफान कांति दोलाई जी, डॉक्टर सुनीता शर्मा जी, डॉक्टर शर्मिला चंद्रा जी, डॉक्टर पी.के. शशिधरन जी, डॉक्टर तथागत चटर्जी जी, डॉक्टर विजय तिलक जी, डॉक्टर एस.पी. वर्मा जी, डॉक्टर ए.के. त्रिपाठी जी, डॉक्टर शालीन जी, उपस्थित सभी देश भर से आए चिकित्सा जगत के विशेषज्ञ भाइयों तथा बहनों, पत्रकार मित्रों, सबसे पहले आप सभी का उत्तर प्रदेश की राजधानी लखनऊ में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की तरफ से हृदय की गहराइयों से स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं, बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूं। हम सब जानते हैं आप सब बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सब्जेक्ट के आज एकत्र हुए हैं। अनुषंगिक बीमारियों के साथ साथ रक्त संबंधी विकारों के संबंध में लगातार नित्य नए आविष्कारों के साथ एक कॉन्फ्रेंस संपन्न हो रही है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने समय समय पर भारत के चिकित्सा विज्ञान को अत्याधुनिक बनाने के लिए, वर्ल्ड क्लास बनाने के लिए लगातार आप सबसे संपर्क करके नई नई व्यवस्थाएं करने के लिए सारे उपादान किए हैं। लेकिन मुझे कहने में प्रसन्नता है कि हेमटोकॉन के माध्यम से हमारे जो वंशानुगत मरीज हैं उनके लिए और हम बेहतर क्या कर सकते हैं। जो प्रबंधन देख रहे हैं लोग, वो लखनऊ के प्रवास को आपको सुगम बनाएंगे, अच्छा बनाएंगे। लखनऊ वैसे भी तहजीब के लिए जाना जाता है और लखनऊ अब तो घूमने घुमाने के लिए भी जाना जाएगा। लखनऊ के जो दर्शनीय स्थल हैं उनको भी आप देखें और लखनऊ के लजीज भोजन का भी आनंद लें। उम्मीद मैं करता हूं यहाँ के जो प्रबंधन से जुड़े लोग हैं, होटल के साथ साथ यहाँ का जो स्ट्रीट फूड है, जो लोकल फूड है, उसका भी आप सबको जरूर आनंद लेने का अवसर प्रदान करेंगे। पुनः मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। मैं पटना से सीधा आ रहा हूँ, इसलिए मुझे उम्मीद थी कि मैं कल इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होऊंगा, लेकिन वीसी साहब का एयरपोर्ट पर लैंड करते ही फोन आ गया कि अभी आ जाइए, तो मैं तुरंत चला आया। इसलिए मैं बहुत देर से नहीं पा रहा हूँ।
all the dignitaries on the dais, all the very senior hematology consultants in the audience. I can see a lot of my very senior colleagues here, Dr. M.B. Agarwal. So Dr. Verma is also there, Mrs. Verma is there. So all the very senior consultants from the country and all the invited faculty members from within the country and from overseas, and all the participants and all people who've come from the media. Dr. Verma, the organizing secretary, Dr. Rashmi, the joint organizing secretary, Dr. Tilak, the president, the chairman of the organizing committee. On behalf of King George's Medical University, a very warm welcome to all of you. As the minister already highlighted, this is a special city of tehzeeb, of cuisine, historical buildings, and of course the beautiful chikankari work. So please enjoy that also. And now there is an added attraction of visiting the city of Ayodhya. It takes only 2.5 hours, and we'll be very happy, all of us, to arrange that also for people who want to do it. It's a great honor and privilege to be, and especially as a hematologist, to be organizing this national conference, Hematocon 2025. It's a great honor for us.
Of the dais, very good evening to all of you. There are I can see many teachers, my colleagues here in the audience. Dr. Sonia, she is 1 year senior to me. So it's always a feeling like coming back to home, being in alma mater, the KGMC. So it's remembering those days is really, it is very nostalgic feeling which we get when we come here. The hematology, this conference is actually is a platform where many national and international faculties are there, where you can share your ideas and you can learn a lot of things. Recently, as the title of the conference is also Innovation in Hematology, there are many newer techniques are emerging for the diagnosis and management in hematology. More and more newer workflows and logarithms are made, but still at the heart I feel the morphology is the best thing, because we are trained like that, and seeing the slide under the microscope moving with your own hands, that's gives a lot of satisfaction to me. And I wish this conference is very well organized.
Before I propose vote of thanks, I would just request everyone present over here to be after this event, because we have very exciting talk from Dr. Ranjana Advani on Hodgkin lymphoma. So I request all of you to be here. Now it's my great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of inauguration of 66th annual conference of Indian Society of Hematology and Blood Transfusion, that is Hematocon 2025. Let me first start with thanking Almighty God for good health, which has enabled us all to attend this event and making it a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Deputy Chief Minister and State Health Minister, Sri Brajesh Patilji, who, despite of his busy schedule, could make it possible to come here and grace the occasion. We saw that how busy he is, and his dynamic personality and ongoing commitment to medical education, healthcare and family welfare has significantly enhanced the state medical education as well as healthcare dynamics in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Thanks to Madam Dr. Sunita Sharma, DGHS, a well-known stalwart in field of hematopathology herself, and the guest of honor today, for taking out time and out of her busy schedule despite of her prior commitments. I would like to thank all the members of ISBT, the President, past President, President-elect, as well as the Honorary Secretary, for their continuous support and guidance. Without that, it was not possible to organize conference of this stature. And this shows that they have faith in UPHG as an organization, and I am thankful that they gave us the opportunity to conduct this year's conference in Lucknow. Thanks to Honorable VC Ma'am, the patron of this Hematocon, and Padam Shri Dr. Sonia Nityanand Ma'am for her continuous support and guidance. She was always available and she was always supportive. She had a look at the program and she modeled the program in a very beautiful way. I would like to extend my sincere regards and thanks to all the international and national faculty members from different parts of the world and various states of India for making this conference a great scientific success. Your valued presence and will enrich us and with the latest scientific knowledge. I would like to take this opportunity to also thank all the delegates without whom this conference would not have been possible. And with that, I also like to thank our pharma partners and the persons from media for having a great coverage of this event. So thank you all.